So rotating magnetic field, direction of rotating magnetic field. How to change the direction of rotation of the rotor? How to change the direction of the rotation of the motor means by changing the phase sequence. This is called stator winding. Okay, stator winding. Magnetic field is rotated synchronous speed ns. Okay, for example, for R by B phase sequence, the stator rotating magnetic field is rotated clockwise direction. Okay, understood. The rotor is also rotated clockwise direction because of induction motor principle. Okay, at starting condition there is a relative speed between these two because of that EMF induced in this rotor winding. Okay, because of induction, and then EMF induced, and then immediately current is developed. Because of that current, the force is developed according to the Lorentz force equation, and then the force is same as direction of the stator rotating magnetic field. If the phase sequence is R by B, the stator rotating magnetic field is rotating its same direction of, the rotor is rotating same direction of the stator rotating magnetic field. Okay, if you are changing the phase sequence, that means any two terminals. Okay, three terminals R by B, any two leads. That is means, for example, YB. So YB are interchanging means RBY. Okay, first phase sequence is called R by B. Then if you are changing the phase sequence, any two terminals, that is called YB. Okay, or RY. So any two. So I'm changing two terminals, two leads. That is called YB. That means what is the phase sequence here? RBY. So if you are changing the phase sequence, what happened? It is rotating magnetic field is rotating anti-clockwise direction. Okay, for RYB, I'm assuming clockwise direction. For RBY, what is the phase sequence? It's changing now. That's why the rotating magnetic field is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. Rotating magnetic field is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. So because of that, so what happened? So if there is a relative speed between speed between these two, rotor and stator, because of that EMF induced in the rotor, and immediately the current is developed in the copper conductors, copper bars of this squirrel cage induction motor, and then current is developed according to the Lorentz force. The force is developed, and again motor is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. Am I right? So in this way, this rotor is the direction of the rotation of the motor is changing by changing the phase sequence. Understood? So direction of rotating magnetic field, the phase sequence of the three phase voltage is applied to the stator winding. Okay, that is called XYZ, XYZ. And this phases are called X, Y, Z. X phase, Y phase, Z phase. So that's why first X, Y, Z is called one phase sequence. Okay, the phase sequence of three phase supply is three phase voltage is applied to the stator winding, that is called X, Y, Z. Okay, the phase sequence is changed to X, Z, Y. That means these two leads are interchanging. Y, Z, these two terminals, these two wires are interchanging. X, Z, Y, interchanging like this. X, Z, Y. It is observed that the direction of rotation of the field is reversal. The direction of rotation of the field is reversal. For example, in X, Y, Z, the field rotation is clockwise direction. Okay, the field rotation is clockwise direction. The sequence is changed to X, Z, Y. That means X, Z, Y. These two leads are interchanging. That means X, Z, Y. Then it is observed that the direction of rotating field is reversal. That is, field rotates counterclockwise rather than clockwise. Okay. However, the number of poles and speed at which the magnetic field rotates remains unchanged. That means number of poles are not changing, and also speed of the rotating magnetic field is also not changing, even though the phase sequence is changing. Okay, phase sequence is XYZ2 and XZY. Even though the phase sequence is changing, this frequency and poles and speed remains same, is unchanged. Okay, understood. The number of poles and the speed at which the magnetic field rotates remains unchanged. Thus, it is necessary only to change the phase sequence in order to change the direction of the rotation. Okay, so by changing the phase sequence only, this the direction of rotation of the induction motor is changing. Okay, so you have a one lab that is called basic electrical engineering lab. You have an experiment on three phase induction motor. Okay, try to observe by changing the two leads. Okay, RYB. Okay, in this lab experiment, three terminals are there, RYB, that is called three phases, three phase terminals. Interchange any two terminals YB. Okay, there was RY. Interchange, then observe that induction motor is rotating in another direction, counterclockwise direction or not. Okay, first connect these three, three terminals X, Y, Z, and as usual. Okay, as per notations, first connect as well X, Y, Z. After that, change the notations, leads, connecting leads, YZ or YB. Interchange and then observe the rotor is rotating in anti-clockwise direction or not. Okay, you can easily understand the basic electrical engineering lab when you are doing the experiment. So how the direction of rotating magnetic field is changing, or the rotor is rotating in counterclockwise direction. Okay, the magnetic field. Okay, for a three-phase supply, this can be done by interchanging any two of the three lines, any two lines from a three lines. Am I right? This can be done by interchanging any two of the three lines. Three terminals are there, X, Y, Z, or otherwise R, Y, B. Three terminals are there. Any two terminals. If you want to change R, Y, change. You can is it possible to rotate the another direction. If you want to change YB, so by changing the any two terminals, that may be R, Y, or YB, or B, or okay. As we shall see, the rotor of a three-phase motor runs in the same direction of rotating magnetic field. If the rotating magnetic field is rotating clockwise direction, the rotor is rotating clockwise direction. The rotor rotating magnetic field rotating counterclockwise direction, and the rotor is also rotating counterclockwise direction. According to the direction of rotating magnetic field only, the rotor is rotating. Therefore, the direction of rotation of a three-phase induction motor can be reversed by interchanging any two of the three motor supply terminals, supply lines. Understood? This is about the direction of rotating magnetic field of induction.